Welcome back to My Life YT, guys. I'm Dustin, and today we're back on the little mud mower, mini mud mower. I'm working on getting the tree bars on, bending some tube. Ow, I just got a metal sliver. Alright, so we got part of this one done, and I'll bring you in to see that. Bending tubes so the other one semi-matches. My mower deck is a little different on each side, so I'm not looking for these to be perfectly the same, because the shape of the mower deck is a little weird, and I'm going around the bottom of it, so they're not going to match perfectly, but I'm getting pieces so they match pretty good. So stick around and we'll show you what I got going on. Alright, so this is what we got going on. I already got this main length bent, and then I bent another one to here. Just need another piece so that it'll actually kick me out past the tree like that. And then up here I'll probably do, once I get this welded in the best I can, I'll probably plate this whole section, put some extra gussets in there. It was going to run up here, but I decided to run it back there. That just ties the whole frame together, ties that back half back in. So see on this side I got kind of a square edge here, and the other side is just rounded, so it may be shaped a little bit different. I'm just trying to keep it as tight to the deck as possible. So here I got it nice in and tight, and then sweeps back. I'm just trying to make it look as good as I can. These come out kind of flat. Oh, I did get the other tires on, so all four matching tires. So I'm going to jump onto the other side and get it all tacked in. Well, actually I got to make this piece, get this all tacked in and welded up. All right, so here's our tree bars, guys. This one is a little closer to the deck here, a little bit shallower of an angle. Back here looks really similar, and like you can see up here, that one takes a tight 90, because this was actually where the chute came out for the mower deck. So I tried to tuck it in as close as I can. So now I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull that engine off and do the slots like I talked about in the deck or underneath, and then start welding this up and see how far I can get. The last thing I want to do is these shock mounts. The front end could go up a little bit, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut these off and move them down, which will raise the front of the thing up. I'm just going to put the top here at the bottom here, yeah, top of this to the top of that. Basically it's only going to raise it up maybe 1.5 inches, but that's my last of the plans. Everything else is welded up. Just touching it up with the grinder a little bit, and then I'm going to put her back together. Remounted these, and I was going to I want to gusset this back, and I was going to sit here and make flat plate, and I was going to have to put the one down this way and then one on top and bottom. But instead of doing that, I took a piece of my 3/4 inch tube here, and I set it in here at the angle I needed, and I marked it. And then I cut a piece like this, which is going to sit in here, and I'll weld all the way around that, and it's going to look like a piece of tube, and it'll be fancy. So I got to do that on the other side, and we'll weld those in. Alright, so I think everything's done that I can get done in here. We'll wait for him to go by on his four-wheeler. I'm going to have to drag it outside to put this back together because it won't fit through the door. So thanks for watching this week, guys. That's going to be it. Next week I'll be getting it together and hopefully taking her for a ride. So, see you in the next one.